what's up? It's Snow and you're back here at Snowbytheday, and it is the first weekly spread plan with me of 2021. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I am so tired. I've been productive all day cleaning up. I have to go to work tomorrow. I've been off for 2 weeks for winter break, but I have to go back. And so I've had to get my house together and everything, and I'm so tired. So I decided to take a break, have a quick sticker session, and watch Thrifty, Crafty Queen on live. If you're not subscribed to her, make sure that you go over there and hit that subscribe button, because it's always a good kiki and a good laugh over there on those lives, and her content is great. But we're gonna end this intro short and get it straight into these stickering, because once again, your girl is tired. But before we go, look at my catch-all. Y'all gonna be seeing her a lot. I absolutely love her. She cute. But yeah, let's get into this plan with me and this sticker session. Let's go. All right, let's get this plan with me cracking. I'm using Anika's kit that I got in Happy Meal because, y'all, like I said, I'm tired and I don't have time to be trying to get this sticker to match this sticker and that sticker to match this washi. Don't have time for it. So we're going to be using her kit, and this is my first time using a kit, and I can see why kits are kind of addicting, because when you don't have time for it but you need to get your plans together, they are perfect, right? Perfect. So I'm gonna head back to her shop and get some more of those kits, and I hope y'all check her shop out too. She's on Etsy. I'll make sure I put her information below. I automatically knew when I got that sticker sheet that I was gonna pair it with Capital Chic Design. So that's where that washi came from. It came from like a set, and I absolutely love it. I know you're probably thinking, girl, you just showed that brown sticker kit, and now you put that tape with all that black and gold on it, and now you're pulling out these, spots. What are you doing, girl? Just sit, just okay, because you're gonna love how it comes out. I promise you. Everything ain't gotta match all the time. I mean, can we be a little artistic? Can we be a little creative with our stickers? I'm just saying, don't be judgy. Don't do that. Once again, I am late to the sticker kit gang, okay? But y'all, having all them stickers on a sheet, like already together for you, you know what I'm saying? Just the boxes, the scripts, all of that good stuff. Just having it there for you just made this so much easier. And y'all see I'm using my ruler to line up all of the date stickers, so I won't have like crooked stickers all throughout the spread. Just, use your tools. Use your tools. Now I'm going to be using these chocolate. Oh, it's something about that brown, baby. That chocolate matches my skin color, melanin. But I love these brown scallops, and I'm going to use them to outline my checklist of things to do. I am going to do something a little different with these 2 columns of checklist. I'm going to kind of break them up a little bit, but before we do that, let's add little header stickers with these scallops, these melanin brown scallops, baby. Now it's time for the lady of the hour. I shouldn't be naming other people's stickers, but we're going to name her Tina Snow, okay? Her name is Tina Snow, and she's cute. And if you're on Clubhouse, that's my name on Clubhouse, Tina Snow. But yeah, she's adorable. And so here I am breaking up those columns and those to-do lists. That to-do script is from Anika's shop as well. My handwriting is trash, so I'm always here for any time she want to put some words on a sticker. I'm here for it because the handwriting is trash. And don't tell me to go get no calligraphy book. Girl, I don't have time for that, and it's gonna take God and all his power and all his blessings to get my handwriting together, and that's on period. Now I'm adding my tracker because I'm nothing without a tracker. I literally don't do stuff unless there's something that I can check off in my planner. So I'm going to add my tracker, and I'm going to add 2 more. Of course, one always for my medicine, one to study, and one for my little secret project that I'm working on that my friend Thrifty continues to push me and nudge me to get done. I want it to be done. Deadline is next weekend. By next Sunday, that buddy is going to be done and ready, and I just cannot wait to show you all and see what y'all think about it. Stay tuned. I always use the second column to prep for the next week. So anything that didn't get done or that I know I have coming up, I use in that column, and I use it to plan for next week. So that's what to plan is for, literally to plan. All right, y'all, I'm all done with my spread. I love how it came out, and this sticker session was so stress relieving, and I actually feel so much better after doing the spread, playing in my stickers. It's so funny how planning is actually useful in life, but how planning actually is like a woosah, like a relaxing session. You know what I'm saying? But I think it's cute. I love the colors. And for some reason, the whole time that I was doing this spread, Move by Doja Cat played in my mind. And I know these are like cheetah spots, but I don't know what it is. The brown and the black spots made me think of a cow. So yeah, but anyways, I hope y'all like this video, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video. Deuces.